Hello dear students. In the last class, we studied how to do the multiplication and also how to do the division. That is multiplication of binomial and trinomial, also the new one you studied. And in the division, what we studied is how to divide a binomial with a monomial, then a trinomial with a monomial, then monomials together, how to divide. All these things we studied. Okay. Now in this class what we are going to study is how to divide a polynomial by a binomial. That's a new one for you. You haven't studied last year this. How to divide a polynomial with a binomial. That is what we are going to study in this class. Okay. So along with the problem we will study it. I will explain it also. Okay. So the first problem, the polynomial written here is n square minus 2n plus 1 divided by n minus 1. Okay, so this one we have to divide. So normal division, what we will write? We will write the first one. What is the first one? It is the dividend. And the second term is the divisor. Isn't it? The same way, normal division, what we will do? Here if it is 6 divided by 2, what you will write? You will be writing 6 inside and then bar and then 2 will write, because first one is the dividend and the second one is the divisor. The same way here, this is the dividend and this is the divisor. We will be writing this n square minus 2n plus 1 inside this box and n minus 1 outside, because this is the divisor and this is the dividend. Okay, that one is clear to you. And now how to do the division. Okay, so here what is there inside? Inside it is n square and then minus 2n plus 1 and the divisor is n minus 1. How to, it will be a new thing for you. You just to understand it and do it. Okay, here what you have to do is that you have to eliminate or just remove or eliminate. Eliminate is a word which is very familiar to you, because all the reality shows you can see, you can hear the word elimination. So we have to eliminate this n square. For that, what we can do is that you have to multiply, you have to make this first term of this divisor as n square. Normal division when you do is 25 divided by 3. 25 divided by 3. What you will do? You will just see 3 how many times will go in 25. So we got it as 2 it will not go. So we will take 25. So 3 multiplied by 8, that is 24. You will get 1 as the answer here. Remainder as 1. Same way here what we will do is that, not like this we are going to do, we will just eliminate this n square. We are going to eliminate this n square. So we just see this divisor n minus 1. How you can make this n as n square? So subtraction is that what we have to do here. So n square has to be eliminated, means n square minus n square. You must get n square minus n square. Then only you can remove that n square. So in the divisor case, n minus 1, how you can make it n square? You can multiply that n minus 1 with n, so that it comes as n square minus n. Understood? So this n we will be writing in the quotient. The number, the element or the variable with which we are multiplying n minus 1, that is we are writing it in the quotient place. So this one we will be writing here inside this minus n. Okay. Now n square minus normal division. While we are doing the division, what we will do, we will subtract it. Here also the same thing, we are going to subtract. So here these two terms we are taking. Okay, from that these two terms we are subtracting. So here just subtraction rule means here this will be minus, so this will be plus, right? So subtracting means this n square minus n square, it is 0. And minus 2n plus n. When subtraction is coming, this minus sign will become plus. So minus 2n plus n, that is minus n. Okay, so we got, after subtracting, we got n here minus n here. Now next is one more plus 1 is left there. So that one together we will bring it down, that is plus 1. Till here understood? So n minus 1 we have to make it n square, so that n square, when subtracting we can deduct or remove this n square. For that what we did, n minus 1 is multiplied by n. So that we got it as n square minus 1, and that we wrote here, and this n we wrote it in the quotients place. Now subtracted, we got minus n, and then this became 0. So here now what we did, plus 1 we brought it down. Now n minus 1. What shall be multiplied with n minus 1 to deduct or to eliminate this minus n? Now the next thing is, this minus n we have to eliminate or remove. So for that, what should be multiplied with to make this the first term as negative n? You have to multiply it with negative 1. Is it clear? So we have to remove which one? We have to remove negative n. So for that what you have to do is, you have to multiply this n minus 1 with negative 1. So that you getting as negative n plus 1. Because minus into minus it is plus. And now we are going to write here the minus 1, because this is the minus 1 we have multiplied. So that we are writing it in the quotients place, and minus n plus 1 we will write here. Minus n plus 1. Okay, is that clear? Now this whole thing has to be subtracted. So I am going to subtract I have written this minus sign here. So what will this become? This becomes plus and this becomes minus. When you subtract, n plus n minus n plus n means it is 0. Here also it is 0. So you are getting the remainder as 0. Now what is the quotient? What is the answer for this one? Answer is n minus 1. This is n minus 1. Okay, little bit idea, I hope you got it. Small little bit idea how to make it. Now problems, when we do more and more problems, it will be thorough for you. Okay, so we'll do the next problem. Second problem. M square minus 2mn plus n square divided by m minus n. So here, this is the dividend and this is the divisor. So we'll write it as m square minus 2mn plus n square divided by, inside the box we wrote that, and n minus n, that is the divisor, we wrote it outside the box. Okay, now what we have to do? We have to make this m as m square, then only we can subtract it and just remove this m square. So what shall be multiplied with m minus n? M minus n multiplied by m. When m is multiplied once again with m, we are getting it as m square minus mn. Okay, so here we are writing in the quotient place, we wrote this m, and then in the here inside the box we are writing it as mn. And now you have to subtract it. So this will become minus and this will become plus. Clear? This will become minus, and how this is becoming minus and plus, I hope you understood. Okay. Now, here this one you will get 0. M square minus m square is 0. Now here it is negative 2mn and here it is plus mn. So you are getting negative mn. Now till here it is over. Now what to do? Now we have to bring this plus m square down. Okay. Now we have to get the first term as negative mn. We have to get negative mn so that this one will be deducted. This is what you have to do while you are doing the division. First term. Think for the first term. Here we got the first term as m square. We made it m square by multiplying it with this divisor with m. Right? Okay. Next one it is coming as negative m square. Mn, not negative m square, negative mn. So with what we have to multiply? You have to multiply here with negative n. So that is m minus n multiplied by negative n. So here when you are multiplying, you will get it as negative mn, and this minus and minus, it will become plus n square. 2n is coming multiplying, so we will get n square. Now here you will write n minus n here, and then this we will write here, that is negative mn plus n square. Now you have to subtract it. So this will become plus, this will become minus. So here it is 0 and here also it is 0. So you got the answer as, what's the answer here? M minus n. Is it clear to you? Okay. Now we'll do third question. So you have to practice it, then only you will understand, or you will study the division. It's a new one topic for you. So you have to practice and practice with many problems, then you will be free to do it. Not free, you don't have any difficulty, you won't be having any difficulty in dealing with these problems. Okay, third problem. 6x square plus 5x minus 6 divided by 2x plus 3. Okay, so here 2x is coming, that's only different. The other questions, it was just simply m or n or x was coming. Here it is 2x plus 3 is coming. Let us see how to do it. Okay, so here we will write the 6x square plus 5x minus 6 divided by 2x plus 3. Okay, so we have to make this as 6x square. We have to eliminate the 6x square. For that, what we have to do? We have to multiply. We have to make this 2x into 6x square. So with what we will multiply? We have to multiply with 3x, right? 3x into 2x, you will get it as 6x square. Let us see. 2x plus 3 multiplied by 3x. So 3 2s are, here what will come? 2x. Whole thing I am showing you so that you can understand how we are getting this. So that is 6x square plus 9x. Okay, so we are getting 6x square. Only go for the first term. Okay, we should have the idea to eliminate this first term, so that in the next step we will go for the next term. Okay, so first itself we have to eliminate this first term. So for that you have to see what should be multiplied with this divisor. Don't go for the next all the things, but multiplication should be correct, okay, while you are doing it. So here we will write 6x square plus 9x. Now what we are going to do? We have to subtract this two terms here, this one and this, we have to subtract. So when minus sign here, so they are also, here it is plus, so it becomes minus. Now this 6x square minus 6x square means it is 0. Now 5x minus 9x, that means it is minus 4x. Then what you have to do? You have to bring this minus 6 down. Till here, is it clear? Okay. Now what we have to do? We have to make this 2x as minus 4x. For that, what you have to multiply? 2x plus 3 multiplied by negative 2. Clear? 2x plus 3 multiplied by negative 2. See here, 2x multiplied by negative 2 plus 3 multiplied by negative 2. What you will get here? This is negative 4x plus negative 6. So while writing it normal way, it will become like this, right? Minus 4x minus 6. So that is what you have. So here I forgot to write 3x. You have to write 3x. Okay, don't forget, right? Like what I have done, don't forget it. Okay, to write 3x there. Now here what we have multiplied, it is minus 2. So that minus 2 also you have to write here. And then here you have to write minus 4x minus 6. Now what to do? Here minus sign. Minus we have to subtract. So this will become plus and this will become plus. So 6 minus, that is minus 6 plus 6 is 0. Here minus 4x plus 4x is 0. So the answer what we got is 3x minus 2. Clear? I hope little bit more you just started understanding how to do it. We will do more problems. Okay. Now the fourth problem. Here 4 terms are there. In this fourth question, 4 terms are there. So let us see how to do that. Same method is same. Go for the first term. How to remove that first term. So here we will do it. 6x cube plus 5x square minus x plus 1. Then outside the box we'll write 2x plus 1. Okay. Now we should get 6x cube. 6x cube is what we have to get. We have to eliminate. So with what number should this 2x plus 1 should be multiplied? 2x plus 1. To get 6x cube, what should be multiplied with 2x? 3x square. See here, 2x multiplied by 3x square plus 1 multiplied by 3x square. Here 2 3s are 6. X into x square is x cube plus 3x square. I hope you got it. Now we will write this 3x square here in the top, and this one we will write and subtract it. X cube plus 3x square. Subtraction, this will be minus and this also will be minus. So here this is 0 and here it is plus 2x square. Now next what you have to do is, not the whole thing, this term you have to bring it down. Term by term you have to bring. Here 4 terms are there, that's why third term we are bringing it down. This has to be eliminated. 2x square has to be eliminated. So what shall we do with that 2x? 2x square. So here it is 2x, and with which number or which element or which term you have to multiply this 2x plus 1 to get this 2x square. That is 2x plus 1 multiplied by x. So 2x multiplied by x plus 1 multiplied by x. So that is 2x square plus x. I hope it is clear to you. Now here it is x. Okay, listen. Here it is simply x. So what will be its power, not power, what will be its sign? Positive or negative? It will be positive. If there is no sign there, that means it is positive. So we will write plus x. And now this we will write here, that is 2x square plus x. And I am going to subtract it, so this will be minus and this also will be minus. So here it is minus 2x, this is 0. Now the next one, what you have to do? You have to bring this plus 1 down. So plus 1. Is it clear? Okay. Now with what you have to multiply this 2x? To remove this 2x, it is negative 2x, right? It is negative 2x. So make it into negative. What you have to do? You have to multiply it with negative 1. So that is negative 2x plus negative 1. So you can write it as negative 2x minus 1. So when you are removing that bracket, so plus and minus is coming. So here it will come as minus sign. Now I am going to write this minus 1 here on the top, and this minus 2x minus 1 in the down part. Now I am going to subtract it. So this sign will become plus, this also will become plus. So here when you are subtracting, you are getting 0. When minus 2x plus 2x means it is 0. And here plus 1, that is plus 2. So here you are getting remainder also you are getting. See the difference? In the other questions, answer was here, answer with quotient we got and the remainder was 0. But in this question, we are getting the remainders 2. We are getting here remainder 2 and here the quotient 3x square plus x minus 1. Such questions also can come for you. So here, then while you are writing the answer, what you have to write? Quotient is equal to 3x square plus x minus 1 and remainder is equal to 2. Separately you have to take it down and write. Okay, so the fourth problem, did you understand? So here 4 terms were there. Only one by one the terms will be brought down. Okay, not together. Here we are taking it together because why? Here we are having two terms in the divisor. That's why we are taking the first two terms. Just like the normal division. Normal division, if it is 325, has to be divided with 5. 325 divided with 5. This alone won't work, isn't it? 3 alone. Will 5 go in 3? No. So we will take this 32. So 32, it will go 6 times 30, that is 2. Next we will bring down this 5. The same way, here it is x plus 1. That means 2 terms are there. So we are taking the first 2 terms. Okay. And after doing that, we are getting 1 term and each term we are bringing down. I hope it is clear to you. Now almost clear. The division of polynomial with a binomial is clear. 2 more questions we will do. Okay, the fifth question. 6x cubed plus 5x square minus 21x plus 10 divided by 3x minus 2. So here also I think there are 4 terms. The previous question also there was 4 terms and here also 4 terms are there. So let us see how to do it. So 6x cubed plus 5x square minus 21x plus 10 whole divided by 3x minus 2. Same way, what we have to do, just we have to remove this, we have to eliminate the 6x cubed. So what shall be done with the 3x to make it 6x cubed? 3x minus 2 multiplied by 2x square. So that is 3x multiplied by 2x square minus 2 multiplied by 2x square. That is 6x cubed minus 4x square. I hope you got it. Why we are multiplying with 2x square. So I am writing it as 2x square on the top. And then 6x cubed minus 4x square here. And now what you have to do? We have to subtract it. So this will become minus and this will become plus. So this is 0 and here you are getting it as 9x square. Sign is plus. Now next point, what you have to do? This negative minus 21x we have to bring down. So minus 21x. Now we have to make this 3x as 9x square. So with what you have to multiply? 3x minus 2 has to be multiplied with 3x, right? Then only you will get that. That is 3x multiplied by 3x minus 2 multiplied by 3x. That is equal to 9x square minus 6x. Okay, so I am going to write this 3x here. There is no sign, so plus sign we are putting here in the answer. Okay, then 9x square minus 6x. Subtracting it, this will become minus and this will become plus. Here it is 0 and here what will come? It will come as minus 15x. Now what you have to do? You have to bring this. First we brought this down and now we have to bring this down, that is plus 10. Again 3x, with what you have to multiply to get minus 15x. Here it is 3x, here it is minus 15x. So what should be multiplied there? You have to multiply 3x minus 2 with minus 5. See, so here 3x minus 2 multiplied with negative 5. So 3x multiplied by negative 5 minus 2 multiplied by negative 5. Here it is minus 15x minus negative 10. That can be written, this can be written as how? Negative 15x plus 10. Is it clear? Negative 15x plus 10. I hope it is clear to you. Okay. Now, this minus 5 has to be written on the quotient place. And here we will write this minus 15x plus 10. Subtract it. This will become plus and this will become minus. So 15 minus 15x plus 15x, 0. 10 minus 10 is 0. So the answer we got it as 2x square plus 3x minus 5. There is no remainder. Remainder is 0 here. So no need to write the remainder in the answer part. Okay. I know now you are very much thorough with it. One more problem, last problem. Okay. A small difference is there in this question. What is that? Here two variables are coming. Two variables are coming. See, 15x square plus 31xy plus 14y square divided by 5x plus 7y. Let us see how we can do that. So 15x square is first we have to eliminate. So with what you have to multiply? 5x has to be multiplied with 3x. So we will get 5 3s are 15. X multiplied by x is, what is that? X multiplied by x is x square. So I'll do it here. That is 5x plus 7y multiplied by 3x. That is equal to 15x square plus 21xy. 7 3s are 21xy. So here we will write 3x and then this one will write in the bottom part x square plus 21xy. And then you have to subtract it. So here this will become minus and this also will become minus. So this is 0 and here when you are subtracting you will get 10xy. Now you have to bring this 14y square to the down part. Now just go for this first term I told you. In all the questions where division is coming, you have to see how to eliminate the first term. In each step, the first term. Okay, so here it is 10xy and we are having here 5x. So what should be multiplied to 5x to get 10xy? That is 5x plus 7y multiplied. You have to make it into 10xy, so that you have to multiply it by 2y, isn't it? See this, 5x into 2y plus 7y into 2y. That is equal to 10xy plus 14y square. So that we will write here. So this 2y. So there is no sign there. Negative sign is not there. So we will write plus 2y. Here we will write 10xy plus 14y square. Subtracting it, this will become minus and this will become also minus. Subtracting, you will get here 0 and also here 0. So what is the answer? Answer is 3x plus 2y. So clear to you all? So the division, I hope it is clear how to do the division of polynomial by binomial. We will do some more problems in our live classes so that you will get, if you have any doubts you can ask me. After seeing this also, if you are having any doubt, please ask me through WhatsApp. Okay, I will clear it. Okay, so take care, study well. Thank you.